Küpper, a workshop system with elaborate details for almost any application, perfectly tailored to your needs. The Küpper range offers furnishing elements for workshops with made-in-Germany quality. The workbench, the heart of every workshop. They are available in different widths. The worktops are made of FSC-certified solid beech wood. With a thickness of 30 mm, they have a load-bearing capacity of up to 300 kilograms. Full extension drawers run on ball-bearing rails. They can be positioned and combined with doors as required. They are available in 2 heights and also as drawer inserts for machine boxes, allowing the boxes to be opened even when they are in use. The panels can be shortened as required. Together with the height-adjustable legs and adjustable drawer fronts, this allows the benches to be perfectly aligned. A special height is also available, with a separate drawer at the bottom on request. The workbenches come in a light grey base. In addition to black, this can also be combined with dark red, dark blue, metallic silver, or anthracite. The doors can also be individually printed on request. This also applies to the wall units, which are available in 6 different widths, with perforated sheet steel back panels, adjustable shelves, or slotted panels. Thanks to new flathead screws, they can be mounted flush against each other. Numerous accessory components offer perfect customization. Drawer inserts, storage boxes, a tool rack and socket strip, pegboards for system components, with holders for all types of tools and accessories. Also with tablet or phone holder, including cable guide. The vices are available with hydraulic height adjustment on request and can be rotated 360 degrees. With tube clamping device and magnetic aluminum protective jaws. All of this is complemented by a height-adjustable work stool and various corner solutions. Küpper's tall cabinets and material storage cabinets. Not only are they available in different heights and widths, they can also be combined with drawers for machine boxes. Also available are holders for beverage crates, clothes lockers, also available as cleaning lockers, motorcycle or e-bike lockers, and in various other designs. Mobile workshops with 7 drawers and a load capacity of up to 210 kilograms. It also comes with a lock-in system for the drawers, which can only ever be opened individually, and a pegboard for holding Küpper system components. It can be supplied either without tools or already equipped with high-quality tools. Alternatively, there is the slide-in model, which fits the notch of the corresponding workbenches. For users with even higher demands, Küpper also offers the Expert system for maximum resilience in the tough everyday applications of professional users. With 40 mm beech top and 1.5 mm sheet steel, plus pneumatic springs on the doors and a cabinet size that can accommodate files. Küpper means quality made in Germany for over 150 years. Short transportation routes not only improve sustainability, but also ensure rapid availability. Production takes place in the Eifel region using state-of-the-art machine technology. Solid sheet steel and powder coating ensure an exceptionally long service life and scratch-resistant surfaces, while the materials used are fully recyclable. Küpper, workshop equipment with a system.